The outcome and the event was absolutely great. I really enjoyed it. The turnout was huge. I thought not many people might not be interested, especially in this area, but surprisingly a lot of turnout, kids, everyone had fun and everyone was into watching the opera. It was touching to watch someone who I can relate sometimes into and see where they're coming from. So I am looking forward to seeing many more like this.
I think it was super nice.
Yeah. We were just walking by, I was like, wait, what's that? That looks interesting. Yeah, it was very nice.
Kinda
Was not
sensory
expected.
overload as well.
In a good way.
In the best possible way, because it was visual as well as audio.
Yeah.
And very non-invasive for the community as well. I think it was amazing.
It was the second time I saw the show. I saw it in Grangetown as well. I enjoyed the music and the expression. The graffiti art was amazing. It mixed up different art forms like dancing, hip hop, the opera, Urdu singing, and everything. The first piece was brilliant. The second piece, a lot of contemporary music, fantastic singing as well. Really interesting graphics as well, which is like thought-provoking. And I'm glad Music Festivals is doing such amazing works.